This is soccer or football? What are we supposed to say? Arsenal's football, right?
Football.
Ooh. Football. Yo! What are we out here doing? What's the day's prediction?
So I think I'm gonna be Messi, and I'm gonna wind up crossing over Charlie left and right. His ankles and his casters are gonna break, and then I'm just gonna score.
I think you're flipping.
Oh! You know, I think you're flipping.
Hippie flipping.
Good.
Couple cranks. Ball secured.
Thanks, Strapino.
Ooh, thanks, Strapino.
Strapino. There it goes.
Oh no! Oh! Oh my gosh! There's no way this thing is leaving this thing now. Oh!
Alright, so today we have Uncle Joe's custom powder coat stage 4 standard crazy cart. And we are going to play soccer. So as we've done more and more carts, it's a lot harder to keep up with the carts, so we have our call out sheets, right? Which is what you would get when you order a custom powder coated cart. So we use those to make sure that when we make them, they follow all protocol of what you want. So, this
is man's birthday.
This is Joe. Oh yeah, it is my birthday. I am 33 years old. Thank you. All right, so Joe picked out the colors to match the Arsenal colors, right? So the chassis is illusion red, just like our normal 900 watt stuff. This is red means power, right? Then you go to the stanchion, which is RAL 5003, which is just a blue that matched the hue of the Arsenal colors. And then you go to Gold Medallion, which would be the steering wheel and the neck. And then the rim is done in polar white, and Charlie spent a lot of time, which I think is really cool here, is he took vinyl and made the rim look like a soccer ball. So we felt the best way to give the tribute to the cart is we're playing soccer. So we're not going to use this cart particularly because it's going to get shipped out to Joe. Obviously it's pristine.
It's too pretty.
Who's what? First to, who could shoot this soccer ball into this goal right here via a crazy cart. Oh my!
Are you guys ready for 2-on-2 ultimate crazy kart soccer battle? Football! What are the teams?
What are the teams?
You're not picking, I'm picking. I'm choosing Charlie on my team.
Wow!
Brandon.
Whoa, whoa.
And birthday boy.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, the camera! Three, 2, 1, go! I got it!
3, 2, 1, go!
I got it. Stay with me. Oh! Stay with me.
That's a penalty again, Charlie. Charlie, penalty again.
Go.
Charlie! Oh!
This is bad news. Oh my god.
It's caught for sure. So
No way.
Keep it going. What are you doing? I'm on your team.
It's gonna be so hot. It's gonna be so hot. I'm gonna be sweating.
Ribbit.
Let me see. Is this your secret strategy?
Now, since I am the ringleader,
Go. 3, 2, 1. Three, two, one.
Go, Charlie, go! Who's the new champ and the best sport out? Ew, baby! That's how it's done!
that's how you finish the game.
Soccer ball. Oh my. All right, so
Imagine XLs.
team winner.
Team winners.
Let's go, baby.
Yeah, Charlie.
Team second. Bash.
Yeah, Charlie's game-winning goal is fantastic. I don't
He
even.
became one with the ball and the net.
So that's Crazy Kart Soccer. Let us know what you guys want to see next. What could we reenact, play? We're trying to get Crazy Kart X Games themes, you know,
There's no football.
mini
in the X
games going
Games.
on.
Just wait until you see the tabletop with a rail down
Crazy
this.
Kart Olympics.
Yeah, the Olympics has begun.